In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment card from your Google Play account. If you want to delete an old debit card, a credit card you no longer use, or simply clean up your payment options, this process is pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that part of it takes place inside the Google Play Store app, and then it continues in your browser through the Google Payment Center. So if the screen changes slightly along the way, that's completely normal. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This is where Google keeps your account-related settings, including payment and subscription options. After tapping your profile icon, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where you can manage how you pay for apps, games, subscriptions, and other content connected to your Google account. Inside that menu, tap Payment Methods. You may see your currently saved cards or other available ways to pay. From there, look for the option called More Payment Settings and tap it. At this point, Google will usually open your browser and take you to the Google Payment Center. This is expected because some billing settings are managed on a web page rather than directly inside the Play Store app. Once the Payment Center loads, find the card you want to remove from your account. Under that card, tap Remove. Google may ask you to confirm your choice before the card is deleted, so go ahead and confirm when prompted. After that, the card should be removed from your saved payment methods. If you don't immediately see the change in the Play Store app, give it a moment and then reopen the app or refresh the page. Also, remember that if a subscription or purchase is actively using that card, you may want to update your payment method first so you don't run into billing issues later. And that's all it takes to remove a payment card from your Google Play account. Follow the path from your profile icon to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods, then More Payment Settings, and finally remove the card you no longer want saved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.